Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see recently watched videos in YouTube. Now, let's say I started watching The Daily Show and I wanted to go back and watch it again because I didn't finish it. There are a couple different places that you might look to find those recently watched. One option is if you tapped on the save button here and you saved it and it's in the watch later playlist, it'll be in a different location than your history. So let's hop out of here and I'll show you where to find it. You'll be able to see at the very bottom right is that U button. Just tap on U. And now the first place that you can look here is you can see history. I can tap on view all and this will show me every single video that I have watched. On here, of course, I can just tap on it to rewatch it or to tap on those three dots. And from here, I can always hit remove from watch history if I don't want it in there. Now, let's say instead of that, you just saved it. It would be under your playlist in the watch later. So you can tap on that. And again, there is that video that I just saved in the watch later playlist. You can see I can just tap on it and it will open it up to play it again if I wanted to. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.